Hi, welcome, Daniela here, and today I want to show you my latest layout created with the December kits. I focused on the hexagon frames from the embellishment kit, and I also used the stitchable dies, so there will be a lot of hexagons on my page. Well, today I decided to work with black cardstock as a background. That is something that I do occasionally, and yeah, today I thought this would be a nice way to make the colors pop. And I started my page by choosing two different pieces from the Pocket Life kit, and I also added a stamp here on the orange card so that I have "Let's Celebrate" as a little further information on my layout. And then I wanted to use the hexagon dies as a kind of stencil for some hand stitching. So I just placed the hexagons where I wanted to have some stitching details, and then I just used a paper piercer to mark the little stitching holes, and this way I can do the stitching easily, and I haven't adhered my picture to the cardstock yet because this way the hand stitching is way more is more easy, it's easier, and you don't have to be so careful with all the embellishments. So I do the hand stitching first this time before I place anything on the cardstock, and I just use some stitching yarn, and I fix it at the back of the cardstock, and then I do a simple hand stitching, and you see that this is quite easy. Just takes some time. So I have decided to choose 3 different colors for the hand stitch details, which is pink, light blue, and orange or yellow. And now I can start embellishing everything. You see that this picture is kind of pink. It was taken in disco lightning, so I wanted to have pink elements on my layout as well. So I just add some more chipboard hexagon stickers, and I really love these hexagons and the chipboard design because we have pretty colors and patterns, and you can combine everything, and it looks quite well. So you see that I fill the blanks with some more hexagons from the sticker sheet. This package is included in the embellishment kit, and I can totally recommend you getting the embellishment kit. It offers so many beautiful products, and also it is so much fun to be able to choose from all the embellishments what fits your projects, and it's a perfect addition to the main kit. Well, okay, so now I just want to add some paper pieces from the die cut set. So here is a little cocktail glass and also the balloon. And now I'm going for this little bow that we can find in the cut apart sheet, on the cut apart sheet included in the Pocket Life kit. And I think that I will also work with the blue square that we find here as well. So I just cut it out, and now I have to see where I place it. And I think that this orange hexagon is a bit too big, so I want to place it there. And this way it's more balanced. We have something on the left hand side and the right hand side of the picture. And now it's time to have some fun with rub-ons. I love rub-ons, and we get some rub-ons in this kit this month. So I am going for some fireworks and just place them here on the piece of paper that I used for backing my picture, and it's also on the black cardstock. And you see that you can even see the rub-ons on black cardstock, and yeah, this is a nice and yeah, shiny detail that you can add to all your projects. And yeah, you might get an idea of what I meant when I said that black cardstock makes the color pop. You see that the frames and the stitching details look really great on the black cardstock, and yeah, I just want to add some more details, and yeah, I'm choosing some puffy stickers, and I just add them here in the blanks, and this way we have some color details on the black background again. And yeah, I also want to use some more puffies here next to the big cluster. This way I have a lot of cute details, and it's a page which yeah, is created with a lot of embellishments, but hardly any paper. We just have the 2 cards from the Pocket Life kit, and all the rest is created with embellishments and the stitching details. And now I also want to add some shiny details, so I use the glazes for the embossing powder, which you can find in the color kit this month. And I just mix it with some acrylic paint, and want to have some firework or kind of firework details here, and just add it with a brush. And yeah, it's kind of shiny. Maybe I can show it to you later in the pictures. And yeah, usually you work with embossing powder with stems or a heating tool, but this time I just wanted to use it differently, and it's yeah, kind of shiny, and I like it this way a lot. You see the details here. Well, I hope you liked my way of creating a color popping page, and thank you so much for watching again, and have a great day. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.